Download a Shakira ringtone to your phone. Download Hips Don't Lie by Shakira. The first thing you need to decide when trying to download a Shakira ringtone is whether you truly want a ringtone, or you want a real version of the song. Ringtone has become synonymous with any music coming for your phone when it's ringing, but most companies differentiate between a ringtone, a music version of Hips Don't Lie by Shakira for instance, and a real tone, as Verizon calls its real music ringtones. Shakira's voice, music, lyrics, and all. You don't want to pay $2.99 per song just to end up with your cell phone's version of Hips Don't Lie instead of Shakira's version, if that's what you're expecting. You usually have three options when it comes to downloading a Shakira ringtone. You can go to your carrier's website, sign into your account and purchase your Shakira ringtone online. You can get a Shakira ringtone directly from your phone if your phone has the capability to connect to the internet. Or, finally, you can search for Shakira ringtone or Hips Don't Lie ringtone online and download it from a third-party website. Online, if you search for Shakira ringtone in any of the major search engines, the results are bound to include a plethora of third-party sites that are selling ringtones of Shakira and many other artists. Some may direct you back to your carrier stating something like, "Did you know you can download Shakira ringtones straight from your phone?" If you get this message, you will have to purchase Hips Don't Lie or any other Shakira ringtone directly from your phone. If not, you will need to enter some information about your phone including model, carrier, and phone number. Then you will be able to scroll through available Shakira ringtones. Select Hips Don't Lie and choose Buy. Your new Shakira ringtone will be sent to your phone and you can follow the steps your phone provides to set it as your ringtone for everyone, or just certain contacts. You'll be hearing Shakira's Hips Don't Lie in no time. Note: you may need to sign into your online account with your wireless provider in order to determine your phone model. Verizon: if you go to Verizon's website, you'll be able to browse through a list of ringtones that you can download, but ultimately, when you attempt to purchase one, you'll be redirected to a how-to page about downloading a Shakira ringtone to your particular phone. To search online, log into your account at Verizon Wireless and determine the model of your phone. Click on My Phone and your phone type should appear above the picture of your phone. This will allow you to search for songs online that are available for your particular phone model. Once you've found Hips Don't Lie by Shakira, it's time to download the ringtone. If you are a Verizon customer, you must have a Get It Now enabled phone. This application allows you to use your cell phone to download any Shakira ringtone, among other items, directly. Scroll through your phone's menu and select Get It Now. It may take a few moments for your phone to connect. Select the shopping cart. This will allow you to browse through applications such as games, pics, messaging and, you guessed it, Shakira ringtones. Select Get Tones. From here you can determine whether you want to browse true tones or ringtones. True tones are MP3 style versions of a song, so they sound just like they would on the radio. Ringtones are music versions of songs that your cell phone plays and do not include lyrics. Either way, you can preview Shakira's Hips Don't Lie before you download it, so you'll know what you're getting. Download one of the many available ringtone applications. Once downloaded, it will save to your Get It Now menu and you will be able to use this application for future ringtone downloads. Begin the application. Once the application is downloaded, it will typically ask you if you'd like to start it. Select Yes, or simply click on the application in the Get It Now menu. Browse through the list of available songs until you find Hips Don't Lie ringtone or True Tone by Shakira. Click on Hips Don't Lie to preview it. Once you have established that this is indeed the version you want, select Purchase. Purchase your Shakira ringtone. The Hips Don't Lie ringtone should download shortly. Then you can update your phone's settings to include your Shakira ringtone as you see fit. Verizon will bill you for your ringtone purchases on your next monthly invoice. Singular/@NT with Singular you have 3 ringtone options: monophonic, one note at a time; polyphonic, multiple notes; and supertones, real songs. To download monophonic ringtones you must subscribe, or be subscribed to, text messaging. For polyphonic ringtones or supertones you must have text messaging and MediaNet. You must also have a ringtone-capable phone. You can determine which Shakira ringtones you can download to your phone by selecting your phone model at Singular's Media Mall. Former AT&T customers will also find instructions on this page. To purchase a Shakira ringtone online, under Media and Services select Tones and Graphics. Next select Ringtones and choose Buy Ringtones. Then you must scroll through the ringtone selections to find Hips Don't Lie by Shakira and input the model of your phone. You must do both, but the order does not matter. Select Buy Hips Don't Lie, enter your cell phone number and coupon code if applicable, then click Submit. You will receive a text message on your phone shortly explaining what you need to do to complete your Shakira ringtone download. Download prompts may vary from phone to phone, but typically you'll be able to save, listen/view or discard your Shakira ringtone at this point. Change your settings to use Hips Don't Lie as your default ringer, or assign it to certain contacts. You can do that in the Profiles or My Sounds menu of your phone. To purchase a Shakira ringtone from your phone, Medianet, scroll through your menu and select the wireless internet application on your phone. Select ringtones or graphics and browse through song titles until you find Hips Don't Lie by Shakira. When you select a Shakira ringtone, the download will be automatically sent to your phone. Text messaging. Send a text message to Singular at 151 by typing ring followed by a space and then the Shakira ringtone download code. The Hips Don't Lie ringtone will automatically be downloaded to your phone. Ringtones are yours for an unlimited amount of time. You are charged a one-time fee for each ringtone and you are charged minutes for the duration of the download. The charges will appear on your monthly Singular statement. T-Mobile and Sprint/Nextel. As with Verizon and Singular, both T-Mobile and Sprint offer similar ringtone download options. You can log into your account at Sprint or T-Mobile's T-Zones website to preview Shakira ringtones and ensure that you're getting exactly what you want. Click on the ringtones option in either site and browse through songs. Click the title of the song, in this case Hips Don't Lie by Shakira, to preview your ringtone, then click Buy when you're found what you're looking for. As a T-Mobile or Sprint customer, you must have a ringtone-capable phone in order to download a Shakira ringtone, or Megatone if you're a T-Mobile customer. With T-Mobile, if you want the real version of Hips Don't Lie by Shakira, you must have a hi-fi capable phone in order to download the hi-fi ringer of any Shakira song. Scroll through your menu and select your phone's internet application, T-Zones for T-Mobile customers. Select ringtones or music and sounds. T-Mobile customers must determine whether you want a Megatone, which is a standard ringtone, or hi-fi ringers, the MP3 type version of Shakira's Hips Don't Lie. Sprint uses similar distinctive titles and customers must make the same decision. Do you want Shakira's version of Hips Don't Lie, or an instrumental version? Buy your Shakira ringtone. Your next step is to purchase the song. Select Buy and Hips Don't Lie will automatically download to your cell phone. Update your settings. Once your Shakira ringtone has completed its download, You must change your settings to establish when it should play. Each phone is slightly different, but you can choose to hear Hips Don't Lie when everyone calls, or assign to certain contacts. That's it. You don't even have to worry about payment because your carrier will automatically add your Shakira ringtone charge to next month's bill. Quick tips: preview your Shakira ringtone before you buy it so you're sure to get the version you want. Useful links: Verizon Singular, T-Mobile, Sprint / Nextel.